Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 3 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with opening the Play Store, and before we'll start, two really important things. The first of all, the internet connection, make sure that you've got one, and the second is that you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you can either do it right after entering the Play Store, or you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. Alright, so let's enter the Play Store finally. And here all we have to do is to tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is your account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. Here we have to tap on Updates Available, and as you can see, in my case I've got 31 apps which I can update. And basically all you have to do is to simply mark specific app which you want to update. Of course, you can mark all of them and then tap on the update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will basically download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.